So now let's see how we can work around with vibrance and hue and saturation adjustment layers inside of Photopea. So over here you can see that I have this image opened up, and if I want to add in an adjustment layer of vibrance, then what you can do is you can simply go around and click right here on the layer right here, the vibrance right here, and then click on vibrance adjustment layer. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that you can change around the saturation. That means it affects out the overall saturation of the image. But if I were to work around with the vibrance right here, then what actually happens is that it only affects the weak color areas and keeps the overall color balance right here, just like this. So that is what you have. I can also go around and add in, let's say for example, hue saturation right here, and I can change around the hue color as I want. You can also change around the saturation of the overall color and change around the lightness of the image as well. Apart from that, you can also select individual colors right here, like green, as you can see, and take a sample right here, just like this. As I click, you can change around the hue right here, just like this, and the green changes out right there, just like that. You can also go around onto, let's say for example, blue, and then take, let's say for example, sample of the blue right here and change around the hue, and you can see that that is what you have. You can change around the hue and saturation as you want. So with the hue and saturation of the adjustment layer, you can also go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto a brush, and then erase these out as well as you want. Let's say for example, I can right click and change around the size and erase these out as well. That is, erase the effects, as you can see right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also work around with vibrance right here, and you can just erase out the vibrance of wherever you want, and you can mask it out, as you can see, just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with vibrance and hue and saturation adjustment layers inside a Photopea. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.